Who's got me?
Gecko.
It's land shark stage.
There's Picasso.
Oh, it's the red girl.
That's Gecko.
Anyway, the chocolate boy
Yeah.
was stuck on the slide. He couldn't figure out to climb on the stair instead of trying to climb up the wood.
Yeah.
I watched him go up like 6. Ow! Motherfucker! She fucking got me! Oh, that fucking hurt!
Ron, I'm taping. Quit cussing.
Oh, fuck, it's just for us anyway.
No, it's not. I'm going to put it on the internet.
Damn. That's enough. Go away. Well, I'm not bleeding, but I got a nice little bruise and a blood blister. Oh, bitch.
Ron!
Sorry.
Run.
What?
Oh, there's Tot taking up the rear.
Now she's in front. Hurry up, see?
Careful, don't trip on him.